Okay, Rado, I have this Vaporesso vape in my hand. It's like a battery pack unit. Everything is in the electronics and the battery pack, and then you get this pots that you put in the top here. There's like 2 magnets in there, and then it's stuck in there, and then the 2 pins there that supply the voltage for the element. But on its own, it has a few features. You can put it on and off, or you can control it through a button here. You can set the wattage for low, medium and high wattage through it. There's a charging port on the bottom. It says X-ROS Pro, 1200 milliamps, 4.56 watt. You get different types. You get a small one that's you just pull, you can't set anything. This one is a little bit more advanced one where you can set and change your settings. Okay, but this thing tends to leak. If it lies in the sun in a car or something, then the fluid leaks out there, then it goes into the bottom of this thing here. So let's look inside how these pots work. You can open it. Firstly, you open the top here, and then you will see there's you can fill it up here. You take your filling unit, and then there's a little rubber there. You push it in there, and then you fill it up, and then takes it out, and then the rubber closes again, and then there's an opening where the air comes through. There's little holes where the air comes through, and there's a connection and a magnet. This one is a 1 ohm. I guess a 0.8 ohm, the lower the ohm value, the higher the element glows for whatever suits your purpose. But if you close this thing, there's a rubber inside that seals it again. You can see here, there's a rubber insert. So if you close this lid, the rubber fits there in the top, and then it closes so that it keeps a negative pressure inside here as the fluid goes out, so that it doesn't have a normal flow out of the bottom here. So that's interesting. And this one is cracked already. They just put this back. Okay, now I wanted to open the thing here quickly. We can you see there's different colors also. I guess that the colors here tells you what ohm value the element is. Then we have to take this off here, because you can, it seals there. But again, you get different grades of fluid. The thinner fluid will obviously tend to leak more than the higher one. Let's just take this out here. You're going to destroy this thing. Okay, now the bottom is open. Okay, firstly there's now again this little filter type of material that soak up excess fluid, so thin. And then there's the bottom with the pins that extend to your element, to magnets. And there's your element. That little pins there pushes into that little element. The wires is there. You can see here's the 2 wires of the element. It goes out there. Now we're going to push out this little thing. You just see the little rubber here on top. This thing is a little rubber. When I say you would fill it up, it closes. And then here's an element inside here. Let's just clean this thing. There's a little O-ring here that keeps the air channeled through the right area. It seals it. Just take this rubber also. I see there's a rubber seal. And there's an element inside here. And then there is like a filter material where the fluid goes in and then it lies around the element. It's ready to burn. There's another seal. So there I rip the element apart now. You can't take this out, so you have to take this element out here, as you can see. So there's the fluid. You can see it's all black when it shows you it's burnt now. The element is too many working hours. The element is just fried. And there's your little material that lies around the element. You can see it's all black. So this is the basic inside workings of this type of vape pot. And now you can see how it works. It's very interesting how they make these things. And all these parts, little rubber parts. And I say there's a different color. 0.8 ohm, this is orange, and see different manufacturers, but supposed to have the same color. Okay, okay, this is basically the ins and outs of this type of Vaporesso. Then you just buy this pot and you clip it in there. When you finish, you throw it away, get another one. And this is original, this stays behind. The batteries inside, the lithium battery charge. It's a little display here. You can see if you press it, you can see it. Let's put the light off here. When you press here, it is on. So if you can press it and smoke, or you can just pull it and it comes by itself. And there, it's locked, it's off. You can't press this. Now you can only, because in the olden days people used to have this big smoky vape. You get used to when you press, you pull. So this is more what it is. And okay, where's my pipe? And then we're going to suck some air through here. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, now you also know. Till next time, cheers.